Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ksenia. I make videos for people who are going through the family green card process. I'm not an attorney. My videos are based on public information, my own experience, and the experience of my subscribers. And the purpose of my channel is to give you guys the confidence to go through this process completely on your own. A couple of months ago, I made a video talking about how quickly USCIS has been processing family-based adjustment of status cases in 2025. That on average, applicants are invited to their green card interview as early as 2 months after filing, some within 6 months, and even cases that were filed in late 2024 should be expecting to get their interviews very soon. And I also started observing a similar trend recently with the form I-751. Unfortunately, the I-751 application has an average processing time of about 2 years. And this is one of the reasons why USCIS has been sending extension letters of your conditional green card for 48 months. But lately, filers who have submitted their I-751 form in 2025 have been getting very fast approvals. So if we look at the historical processing times on USCIS website, it seems that in 2014, 2015, and 2016, you saw the shortest processing times for the form I-751. And then after that, it just started increasing exponentially. At this point, according to the data, the median processing time for the form I-751 is about 21 months. It makes sense that it would be somewhere between 21 to 24 months. By the end of that 21-month period, a lot of applicants actually end up applying for their citizenship based on the marriage to a U.S. citizen. So that is when typically USCIS was processing both I-751s and the N-400 applications. And a lot of applicants, including myself, have not actually got to see their 10-year green card and instead rolled over into naturalization. Now, what can you do if your I-751 case appears to be stuck and you see that recent filers are getting their 10-year green cards approved a lot faster? It is, of course, discouraging. One of the things that I personally have seen a lot of applicants find useful is using the unsolicited evidence tab in their online USCIS account to upload additional evidence, bona fide evidence of your marriage that you need for your I-751. And what I do see in a lot of I-130s that appear to be stuck is that uploading unsolicited evidence does help with scheduling people's interviews sooner. So my theory is that you could also potentially do the same for your I-751. And you can utilize the unsolicited evidence tab as many times as necessary and upload a lot of additional evidence while waiting for your interview. USCIS equally also recommends that any new evidence that you have should be uploaded to your online USCIS account before your interview. So if you keep up with it, you won't have to do as much preparation for your actual interview. In the meantime, if you are eligible to file for naturalization, that is still a recommended route to go. That way, USCIS can start processing for your naturalization as well as pull your file for I-751 and process those together. And those of you who do receive your I-751 approval, your 10-year green card in the mail, have a folder somewhere set aside, a Google Drive folder, maybe a physical folder in your house with evidence of bona fide marital relationship that you will once again need for your N-400 application. I do suspect that USCIS is going to discontinue the 48-month extension for the I-751 filers on their conditional green cards. I also foresee seeing news articles about this, presenting it as a negative thing, taking out extensions from people. It seems that this year USCIS is definitely prioritizing family-based immigration, which seems to have been long forgotten in the past few years. So I think personally that is good news. Please comment with your timeline below, any updates that you have. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!